Hello everybody, welcome back. And I've been AFK in this house for about half an hour. I planted some more wheat before we left, and now we have crap loads of wheat. So we're just gonna go harvest that. We're gonna get crap loads of wheat from this. We're probably gonna build an animal farm today. So we're just gonna be doing this. This is gonna be so much wheat. So I'm just gonna get all this wheat, and we're probably gonna build an animal farm later after we get all this. And you see how I'm getting more seeds? That's kind of a bad thing, because then you get, with so many seeds, you can't really do anything with them. And so we're just gonna put that back in. I saw a seed or two drop in here. Yes, and we have a stack and a half of wheat. That will be plenty. So we're just gonna go back. And we're probably gonna make some bread. So to make bread, you're just gonna put wheat like this. And keep on doing that. 11 pieces of wheat. That should, or bread, that should be plenty. So this episode, I saw some chickens over here. I think I'm gonna make a little chicken farm. We're gonna have to get some more trees, aren't we? So I'm probably just gonna get some, plant these trees up here. And then we're probably gonna harvest some more. Eventually we'll probably run out of trees. I'm gonna get one tree and then I'm gonna start heading back so I can sleep, because I hate monsters. And we're just gonna drop down. Go ahead and run back in. We'll probably upgrade that little AFK house later for some minor improvements. So now just go to bed. Probably we're now just gonna get some wood. And zombies, they can survive in the water because water cools down the fire. So be careful. And water stops all your falling damage, so if you jump in the water, you're not gonna get any damage. I'm just gonna my little way out. Probably cover that back up with dirt. And probably gonna build an animal farm. Now for each animal, you're gonna need different things. For pigs, you're gonna need carrots, which are really late game, so you can't really build a pig farm. For sheep and cows, it's just plain wheat. And for chickens, it's seeds. So right now I'm just clearing all this area. And we're probably gonna need lots more wood. Well, not lots more. We'll probably get about one more tree's worth. And then we're gonna go back and make some fences and a fence gate. By the way, bread heals 2.5, so if you eat this, start eating it when you're down at like 3 or something. And you'll get almost close to full. And so now we're probably just make that. Make half of those into sticks. And probably just make all these into fences. We're gonna need lots more sticks. And we'll build a chicken farm. Chicken farms don't have to be that big. We're just gonna probably build it right over here. And just make a nice little area with the fence. This will be good. Is it odd? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is middle. I'm just gonna leave a little spot here so I know. 1, 2, 3. Yes, and we are too short. Just need one more. And so we're just gonna come back in here, make 2 more fences, and a fence gate probably while we're in here. And then probably with another thing, we're gonna make a wooden pressure plate, which allows you to just walk over and the fence gate will open. You can do it with doors too, but I wouldn't suggest putting it with doors on the inside, because then monsters can walk right in. You can put it on the inside too, and it will automatically close it for you. But we're gonna use it on our fences, so bye to you too. We're not gonna probably put the fence gate in for now, just for the attracting of chickens reason. So I saw some chickens over here. I'm just gonna come over here, and they'll automatically start following you if you have it in your hand. But don't sprint, because then they'll get left after. Just keep going, get that egg. Come on, chickens. So yeah, that one went out of my range, and it's a pain in the butt to get him to look back at the seeds. Oh, maybe, no. And let's try this. Okay, well, we'll try this chicken. Hopefully it works. And that chicken stopped following me. Why do you guys hate me? Follow the seeds. You love the seeds. You want no seeds? Okay. Let's go. Both of you. Let's go. We're just gonna have to do a very slow kind of walk. I kind of like to get a whole bunch of food before I go on major mining journeys. I'm just like that. I just like to have a stockpile of food before I start mining really big. Having a really big mining operation. Just because. And so just keep on going with those. Okay, don't leave me. I swear. Okay. Do the Macarena. Or Reina, whatever. Okay, No, come in. No. They know they're just being raised up to be slain. And press that down. Oh, it's a sheep. He's kind of scared of me. It sounded like a zombie. I'll just put that there, so now I can just walk in. It'll close automatically behind me. I'm gonna be a nice chicken owner and build a little coop for my chickens. All it has to be is 1 block high. Nothing that major. Probably like that. I'm gonna get my cobble close to my axe so they don't have a chance to escape. Just then after that, I'm probably gonna put a little wooden roof over their heads. So I'm just gonna mine this. Okay, we're about the 10-minute mark. See, they're already producing eggs for me. That's good. So now I get to my wood. Create a nice little overhang for them. Yeah, okay, that's good, I think. Kinda really ugly, but who cares? And now we're probably gonna go mining, because now I don't have any use for this wheat, just for food. We're probably gonna create a second wheat farm later. I hate those cave noises. And I'm gonna try to get these even now. This is gonna make a crap load of bread. I now have like half a stack of bread. We're gonna probably be moving out of our home soon. So you'll probably need to build a house soon. By the way, the eggs you get from chickens, you can then throw at walls, and hopefully chickens will hatch. Just throw them by right-clicking, and no chickens came out. There's about a 1 in 16th chance that they're gonna come out. And so now I'm just gonna cook my iron, probably build 2 new pickaxes. Next episode will probably be mining, or I'll probably mine off camera just for the sake of you. So you don't have to watch me just mine constantly. So now you go down. Push F3 to get this option up. That was a ravine, I remember now. I don't really want to go down that. And, okay, I didn't forget torches. I'm like, oh my god, did I forget torches? I do that a lot. I forget things when I go on mining, especially torches. And so, I'll probably just cut them out when I need to go back up and get them. Your Y needs to be at like 11, 16 to 11, and God, I just fell. What the crud? Don't kill me, don't kill me. Oh God. Ooh, yay, gold. Oh God, creeper. Oh God, creeper! Ah! Okay, log out, log out, log out. Okay, if that ever happens to you, I suggest logging out real quick. And to recuperate yourself. I always have a copy of it in case, like, there's something wrong with the first one. So when we get back into the first one, we're gonna haul butt back. Ready, set, go. I'm ready. Get away from me. Get away. Get away. No, okay. Mine up, mine up, mine up, mine up. No, skeleton, skeleton, skeleton. Oh God. Okay. Near-death encounter right there. But we survived. That's why I don't like to go mining. Right there. That was a little bit scary for me. About had a heart attack. And now it's night, so we'll probably sleep. We're probably gonna build... You know what? We'll build a house next episode. I want to get some iron this episode. I was hearing a cave over here, so I'm probably going to mine towards this. Right here. That's where it's strongest. Yep, right there. Oh God, now it's washing out all my torches. So now it's going to be dark down there for... There's going to be lots of monsters waiting for me when I get back. And there's a skelly. Oh, yay, it's a waterfall. I was gonna block it up. Did I already explore this? I must have. Gonna eat a piece of our bread. Oh yeah, because I remember now I ran out of torches. So, we're just gonna keep going. Hopefully find some iron. This is sandstone. It's under, usually sand. But you can craft it by putting it like a crafting table except sand. We'll find some sand later. Did I just hear a horse? Horses are... Hold on. Let me listen. My spidey senses are tingling. Oh god, that's what happened when you dig straight up. My spidey senses. Really? It was a cow. I hate you. Die. So now we're just gonna probably go back up. I'm trying to get some iron. I just want iron, that's all I want. Okay, I about passed it. I'm like, holy crap, what's that? Okay, so next episode we'll be building a house. Gonna go mining. Try to go mining again. Hopefully it's not too scary for me. Yeah, water washes out torches, so now you're gonna have a dark mine to greet you back. I'm just gonna keep on going. I've learned my lesson. Just put that down. Oh, yay. It leads directly into another one. Oh, God. I hear things and it's not pleasant. Oh, God. Just keep running. Come fight. Oh, there he is. He's right there. I'm right here. Come fight me. Come fight me. Huh? You want to fight? Huh? I'll fight you. Yay. Did he just give us 2 string? Oh, yay. I have 3 string. So now we're gonna get some more iron, because that's what this whole quest is about, is iron. I'm trying to get enough to make some armor for protection, because like that one with the creeper, I wouldn't have gotten so low if I had some armor. I forget how much I had up. I think it was 15. So this is plenty. You only need 24 to make a full set. What time are we at? We are at 18 minutes and 34 seconds, probably. Yay, parkour. Now we're just gonna come back up and start cooking this iron. So building a house next episode, that's going to be pretty fun. Okay, 2 pieces of coal and then a couple pieces of wood, but we'll add wood later. How many seeds do I have? I only have a stack and 3. So I am probably... Oh yeah, I didn't breed the chickens, did I? So basically to breed things, what just happened there? Sometimes it does this, it glitches out and you can't get it, like anything off the ground. So basically, to breed things, you're just going to want to right click on 2 of the same animal, and they're going to be doing their thing, and a little baby chicken pops out. I don't know why I can't get that egg. Baby chicken, no. Automatically closes. And we're probably going to cut it for this episode. Yeah. We're gonna cut it for this episode. No, maybe. Like the whole last 10 minutes is just gonna be me debating. So, I'm probably gonna get some more seeds. Seeds would be good. Kill chicken. I'm evil. More seeds. I have no idea how many more seeds we're gonna get, so. As you can tell, the seeds is really loud. So sorry about that. We're only up to us. I think the first one was like a stack and probably 32, so we have a lot more. And we're just gonna keep on getting some grass so we can build our house and another wheat farm next time. And we'll try that for next time. We can always get it next episode. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. Comment how I can make these better for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.